Hey everybody, here we are at the Button Road picnic area. Big tree fell in our path here on the trail. Heading down, this is the Hemlock Creek Loop in Bedford Reservation. And we're going to make our way through here to the creek. This grew deep quick. See, like right here, this is as deep a grass as I want to be in because of the ticks. And I'll still check myself after this as best I can. Beautiful day. I wonder if it's still about 90 degrees or if it dropped a little bit. It's Tuesday, May 19th at 6 p.m. exactly. Enjoying the warm weather for a couple days while we got it before the cold comes in again and the rain. And then hopefully summer soon. Looks like we might finally be losing that sun a little bit now with the storms coming in. Hopefully it won't be too bad. It won't knock down any more trees. Beautiful wildflowers that the camera doesn't really pick up. We'll do that another day. That's the straight uphill to Button Road. We're gonna look at the creek today. We rarely go this way, so let's check it out. It's always worth looking for arrowheads and stuff, but this area is so well traveled. They've probably been all picked out. Let's go up the creek a little further. See, sometimes this is all water. You can't walk on this. I don't think I've ever been up this far. Yeah, I've never been this far up the creek with the camera for sure. Awesome. Turned out to be a great day. At this point, those storms are just a rumor. They're probably all freaking out on the news. Oh, get ready. Panic, everybody. I mean, I'm glad they do tell you when something's bad's coming, but often it's exaggerated. Because the news is a TV show too. Hello? I see the bird on the branch there. He went. One good thing, there's no litter. Looks like a cave, but it isn't. Or it isn't anymore. Alright, let's get back up there. Back to the path. The Hemlock Creek Loop. I'm going to keep going this way actually, because there's some people coming. So I'm going to keep going this way on the creek. This is not part of the Hemlock Creek Loop. This is some other trail that I've never really followed. Love how that looks in the sun. Sheer cliffs just cut by the water. Man, I didn't even know this trail was here. I've seen the beginning of it before, but they're always down trees. I could never Well, I never wanted to climb over them and take them. Now I would. But we don't have to because the tree is gone, and we'll see where this goes. Wow, this goes pretty far. Let's check this bank out. I'm surprised more people don't fish down here. Is this not a good fishing spot? Maybe not because the water, the current, I don't know. I'm not a fisherman, but that's another one to request on Louis' show tonight. John the Fisherman by Primus. John the Fisherman running down a dream in Ventura Highway. Oh, this is awesome. This is like traveling alongside that button road that goes straight uphill. Oh, it's not a road anymore, but yeah, I'm gonna take this for a while. Why not? Oh wait, what is this? What are we intersecting with here? I think this is the button road. Bridle trail. I don't know what this trail is. It's wide, so I'm guessing it's a bridle trail, but what the heck? I don't know what trail this is, but let's stay on it a while. Oh, this has to be the, seems like this might be the old alignment of Button Road, because it's about to start going straight uphill around this curve. Away from the creek. Creek turns, yeah, see, that's not today, guys. I've been out a long time already. Another time I will show you that, though, up there. Takes you up to a huge plateau where there used to be a farm, and this used to be a road that connected all the way down to Dunham Road. Well, that's cool. We found that little loop path that took us back to here. We'll take this back to the main trail. I think I got some sun today, guys. That's good because it's supposed to rain for like the next 10 days. Get it while you can. So I saw a YouTube video. It was about the steepest street in America. It was somewhere in the Pittsburgh area. 37% grade. This couple were walking up it. They had a really hard time walking up it. An Amazon van went up it. Pittsburgh is a hilly city. See a squirrel on the tree? See him? Ah, he ran away from us. He's looking. He's peeking. He's got a nut. What's up, dude? Enjoy your dinner. Alright, well, if I keep going straight, it'll be where the intersection of the loop and this bridle trail is. I'm going to go back the creek way. Sun is still out. Tripped a little bit. There's some rocks and a lot of roots. We'll be back on the fixed up trail soon. Look at that tree just hanging. It'd be cool if those birds landed on it and it fell. Right now it's gonna fall eventually. Two of them, or two trunks of the tree. We're out there. Sun is still cooking, looking good. I love it. Alright, so here we are where the wall begins. That's where we were, that trail, bridle trail. Hi. Good. How about you, man? I smell a blunt. People playing in the creek today. Kids swimming. Like when I was a kid, this water was filthy, filthy. You wouldn't want to. People did still go in the creek, but I never wanted to. I was always told, no, you can't go in that filthy water. And I bet it's a lot cleaner nowadays. Anyways, people swimming it. You're going to be hearing them soon. I'll try not to show them too much. There's a quick shot. They're out on the creek. There's a lot of people out there, man. I don't know, maybe the storms are late, or maybe they passed us. There's a shortcut through the field. I'll just take the long way. We got time. Oh. Excuse me, allergies getting me today a little bit. Just a little bit. Creek again. There's the Parkway Road on the other side. Retention wall that they just built a few years ago. I mean, they had something there before, but they had this closed for a long time and built that big white wall there. We're headed towards the parking lot and the picnic area now. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you much for watching and have a great one.